G'day, my name's Andrew McGowan and today I'm here to tell you about a great range of barbecues that we have. We've got quite a few different models that we think are fantastic for caravanning, barbecuing, boating and camping. Just a great range of barbecues here. Now I'm going to explain the difference between the different types of barbecues and the advantages of these types of barbecues. The first thing you'll notice is how well constructed they are. We've used really good gauge material, great materials, and the design of them is just fantastic. Won't blow out in the wind, 20,000 BTUs, and also you can use them as an oven and a barbecue and a stove all in one. So these are great products. Now the first two you'll see here have a low lid. These can't be used as an oven, however, they are great for sliding in and out of a compartment in your barbecue, in your caravan or your camper. Now you'll notice this first one here is what we call our slimline enamel. It's enamel coated. It has, you'll see here, it has a solid hot plate. We do have different types of hot plates. We have ones with a full grill and a half grill, which I'll come to later on. But one of the main advantages of having a full hot plate is all your fat and juices run down through the centre here and right through the barbecue, and they collect in your drip tray at the front here. So it makes it very easy to keep clean. One of the other features that I mentioned before about the slimline barbecues is they come standard with a slide out system. So if you've got a compartment, you can put this in. It's simple. It's already attached. You just bolt this inside your compartment and it's easy to slide it out, have your barbecue, and then just simply slide it back in, away. So that's how easy it is to use with the slide system. Now the only difference between this one and the next one, which is what we call the Slimline Pro, is this one is made of stainless steel. Really high quality stainless steel, will not rust. Comes with a 5-year warranty, in fact. It's just a great little unit. It also has the 2 burners, as I mentioned before. This has got the solid plate fitted, but great thing, the fat and juices once again run down and collect in your tray. Another fantastic product that you'll find really easy to fit to your caravan or camper. These can also be used, of course, in the boating industry because the stainless steel is that high quality, it will not rust. Great product. Particularly in the fact that a lot of the times it's going to be windy and most other barbecues only have 1 burner. All of these have 2 burners, which enables you to have plenty of heat and you don't have that fear of it blowing out all the time. Now the next barbecue along, as you can see here, this is what we call our Sizzler Deluxe. And you can see it has a higher lid on it and it has a viewing window in it. Now the glass is made of heat-proof glass, and unlike what some people think, this glass will not frost up. What actually happens is the air draws in through these holes, comes up through the baffles inside and vents out the back. It's just like having a demister on your car. Fantastic. So even when the weather's really bad, just close the lid down and you can still see what you're cooking. Now of course if you want to do a roast, we have what we call a cooking rack here, and that goes in there, and you can easily put a roasting tray in the back, just light your front burner here, close the lid up and you've got an oven. Now I've made bread in this, I've also made legs of lamb, roast legs of pork. Well, we've even made cakes in it. I mean, it's just a fantastic unit, this. So the other thing, of course, is other than doing a roast, you can also boil a kettle or put your pot on there or pans. So it becomes a cooker. So it's a cooker, a barbecue and a stove all in one. Fantastic product. Now I mentioned before about the various cooking surfaces I have. First of all, I'll show you this one, this one here is the half grill, half griddle. And that barbecue, this enables you to do eggs and bacon on this side and also do your steaks on that with that char grill effect. And that just simply goes in there as well. And you can see, so you can have a half and half. Now on my next model, which you'll see, this is my Sizzler Premier. Now this has a higher lid again, but the beauty of it is it enables you to cook something even bigger, a bigger roast, And more importantly, you can actually do a spit roast on it. But before I get to that, you'll notice I have a full grill in here. So this is if you like to have a full grill on your barbecue, you can have this system here. And that's how it is there. And once again, you can put your cooking rack in there. Very simple, very easy to do a roast in it, like I said before. But as a real wow factor, you can actually put a spit roast on this. So you can imagine how excited some of the people would be near your boat or your caravan when you've got a leg of lamb spinning around on that. It just blows you away. A fantastic barbecue oven and stove all in one. I mentioned before about the cleaning, and it's very easy. A lot of the people get concerned about how easy it is to pull apart and clean. Well, as you can see, I'm doing here is just pulling things apart, and you can actually even take the burners out just like so. And that's stainless steel burners, so they're going to last forever. You can pull them out and you can wash inside easy without any hassles. Some of the material, as I mentioned before, you can see the thickness of this thing. It is not going anywhere. It is strong, it's robust. So it's ideal for if you're traveling on bumpy roads and things, the thing isn't going to fall apart. Okay, now leading on to the last barbecue, which is one that I actually use a lot for boating, and so I've called it the Galleymate 1500. It's the same width, but it's a lot deeper in size in the back. So you can actually cook comfortably for 6 to 8 people on this barbecue. It also has a little warming rack up the back, so you can put your corn or your bread rolls up there. Once again, has the little tray there for collecting all your fat and juices, and 2 burners, 20,000 BTUs. I mean, these products are lifetime products. They're just fantastic, and as I said, they're very solid. One of the other nice features that we have on this is the disposable gas bottle system. It enables you to put this regulator on one of these gas bottles, and you don't have to drag a big gas bottle around with you. It just makes it so much easier. These last 2 hours, so why would you bother taking a big 9-kilo gas bottle with you? Another great feature about this barbecue, as you can see, you can carry it by the handle. It makes it great for carrying, and also, of course, stowing away in the boot of your caravan or in your camper. Now, I've just taken this out of the boot, and I'm just going to set this up on my shelf on my caravan that I've got here, all ready for cooking. Very simple. Now, if you don't have a side tray like I do on my caravan, why don't get yourself a fold-up stand like I have here that I use on the beach a lot. See how this just fits straight in here? Fantastic, nice and sturdy. You can fit plates on there, and you take that to the beach, camping, wherever you like. Very easy, very simple, and it'll fold up. It's made of stainless steel, so it'll last you a lifetime as well.